Hi, my name is Dariana, and today we have a super cool new toy today, and we're gonna unbox it right now.
Just got it in the house. Can't wait to see it. It is the new LG StandbyMe Go. 1080p HD. Basically opens up, carry it wherever you want. Has a 3-hour battery life, up to 3-hour battery life. I haven't seen it yet. Being in real estate, I wanted to give my my listing presentations the best possible look, and so people could see it easily. And our vacations, we can play video games and have fun. So let's open it up. Here we go.
Let's go.
It's kind of heavy. Feels about 25, 28 pounds, something like that, judging by my expertise weight scaling system of my arms. Ooh, very James Bondish.
Bond. James Bond.
Justino. No, that's not right. Zopi. Justino Zopi.
I confused.
James Bond. Before your time. Anyway, okay.
Why is everything before my time?
Which is top, which is bottom? I have no idea. Push,
Bottom to
pull.
top.
That's gonna be bottom, okay. Let's spin it around.
Since this is super high tech, we have a remote.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Remote.
Are you ready?
Da da da. Da 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 da.
Ooh.
Need Minion music.
That's so
Whoa,
cool.
That's so cool. And it has like little pockets and everything.
And it spins
So watch
with
TikTok.
sound effects.
You can watch TikTok.
Apple CarPlay, not Apple CarPlay, Apple AirPlay. Alexa is built in. Tons of its own systems from what I'm seeing. But the idea is I can just like literally grab my iPhone, my iPad, or my Mac and throw my stuff on there. Or it has HDMI input as well, I was told. So let's see if we can figure this thing out. Anything else in the box? Nope. That was a very easy unboxing.
It comes with a remote. And I think the remote goes
Over
here.
here.
Yeah, and you put the remote
goes
right
there.
here.
Do we need to charge it first, or we need to plug it in, or I have...
Yeah, there's a
Let's read the
charge.
instructions. That might help.
I cut the instructions.
That's not gonna make it easy.
Oh. What
the heck?
I cut it with a
We have
knife.
confetti for instructions. It does say connect power cable for first time use. Okay.
There's a little band here. Oh, we get a bracelet.
That's to hold this together. I think we're gonna need an extension cord. Do we have an extension cord anywhere?
Extension. I have one in my room for my mini.
Will it plug into this? Yeah, bring it to me, please.
Okay. I go bring it to you.
Where does it plug into? I'm excited.
I can see that.
I don't know where it plugs into though. Little area. It's on the side. Oh, yeah. There's a place to plug it in right in the back of the suitcase. We have a cable.
We are back.
Dun 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 dun. Nothing happened. Okay.
I need
And
the
we'll try the
banana.
power now.
I don't. I got it.
It's alive.
It's alive.
It's alive. Oh. Okay, it doesn't come up. Okay. There we go. Cool. Wow, sound is pretty loud.
Citizens of America. People with a super duper light. We don't know what side they're fighting for. Someone's trying to kill us. We are trying to kill them.
Ooh, it looks like it's happening. 0961, 0961. Ah, it works. Perfect. So now, we should be able to go this way. And let's go to
BMW or Mercedes?
That's the quick answer.
BMW.
It looks
I went
skinnier.
every time I got a BMW, I was like, oh my god, the way it's not.
It looks skinnier than what it does on the screen. I don't know why that is. Maybe there's an aspect ratio we can adjust on there. It's pretty cool. It's streaming from my phone now. That's cool. 2.
Hi, I'm back with
know. That's cool. What do you think, Bula? Oh, yeah. That's her. Look at, you're on TV. Look at, you're on TV. And you still don't lay down. This dog. What will happen if I just close this? Yeah, please not. Will it turn off? Or will it keep talking? It's talking over here. Well, that's because the video is still playing. Nope, it went off. Nice, it turns on automatically. Very cool. Come on, you can. And then to put it away, go like that. Close the lid. The back side does have a place for the plug, and then it does have an HDMI USB port and an audio, an IR cable, and then the battery off and on. So it looks like it's not waterproof by any means, but definitely could get drizzled on. You ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Let's go. We're going on vacation.
Hello. Yeah, I'm feeling. Hello. Let's go and change it up. Open your eyes, know it's something that you like. I fly too high, no, I'm never coming down.